Hi, today I will show you how to crochet hair hoop headband. Let's start. Let's crochet the foundation chain. It should be number of chains multiples of 3. Let's crochet the foundation chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then you should crochet as many chains as you need. Let's join the chain in the round. Before it, you should check it won't be twisted. And now insert the hook into the first chain stitch, make a slip stitch. The ring is ready. Let's look at my ring. The foundation chain should be a little bit loosely. Let's crochet row 1. It is going to be a row of double crochet stitches, chain 3 to bring up the yarn. Yarn over the hook and make double crochet into the next chain stitch. And make double crochet into the each chain stitch of the foundation chain. Keep working in this way till the end of this row. Let's complete this round. Work with the slip stitch into the third chain stitch on the beginning of this round. Round is done. Let's crochet front post and back post stitches. Let's crochet rib 2 by 1. Make back post single crochet, then chain 2 to bring up the yarn. 2 front post double crochet, 1, 2, then back post double crochet, then front post double crochet twice in a row, 1 and 2, continue back post double crochet, then you should alternate 2 front post and 1 back post double crochet till the end of this round. Let's complete this round together. Work with the slip stitch into the second chain stitch in the beginning of this round. Round is done. Let's crochet round 3. It will be the same as we did the second one. Make back post single crochet, 2 chains to bring up the yarn, then 2 front post double crochet in a row, 1 and 2. Back post double crochet, then front post double crochet, 1 and 2. Keep working in this way till the end of this round. Then you should crochet as many rounds as you need in the same pattern. I remind you, I did 2 front post double crochet and 1 back post double crochet. As you can see, I have got beautiful, easy to crochet band or ear warmer. I remind you, I did 2 front post double crochet and 1 back post double crochet in this pattern. This is the front side of the headband and this is the back. You can use in daily life both sides. Don't forget to subscribe to my page or channel, follow me in social media, and of course crochet with me. Thanks for watching.